What's up, guys? First video here, leaving work for a long hard day. It's currently Thursday. Goes my helper next to my baby. He's trying to rush out of here because UPS didn't want to leave his comp cams at his doorstep, so he's trying to rush before they close. Little V646.
Huh?
What's up, Kenny? What time they close?
They're on Luetta and 249.
They close in an hour?
They close at 6:30.
You gonna rush out of here?
Okay.
You're not gonna let it warm up?
Let's get warm.
Oh, okay. See you Monday. Go. Do a peel out.
You want me to peel out?
Yeah.
In the reverse?
Whatever works, man. Alright. Later, man. A little cold start for you guys. There goes my tag, because my boss gets mad when I write my car. I pull my car in and start working. At home, going to New Braunfels this weekend. Should we wash the car today or not? Alright, guys, well, hope to update you guys soon on more deliveries. CAMSHAFT's getting installed here in 2 weeks. See what we got. Peace out.